Protecting your orchards from hail damage is crucial for any farmer. At EyouAgro, we understand the importance of installing high-quality hail netting and maintaining it properly. Let us show you how it's done. Installing our hail netting is a straightforward process that anyone can do. Here are the steps to follow. First, install poles at a certain width within the orchard and attach steel cables to the poles. Here we give you some installation data to refer to, including the spacing and depth of the pole installation. Then, unfold the customized hail netting and lay it over the steel cables. The third step is to use our accessories to connect the sections where two pieces of netting join. And finally, secure the netting on all sides. Congratulations, your hail netting is now installed and ready to protect your crops from hail damage. Proper maintenance of your hail netting is critical to ensure it remains effective for years to come. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Regularly inspect your hail netting for any signs of wear and tear, such as small tears or holes, and repair them immediately to prevent further damage. Ensure that your hail netting is properly tensioned and securely fastened to the ground to prevent wind damage. Keep your hail netting clean and free from debris to ensure maximum effectiveness. At EyouAgro, we provide a diverse selection of accessories necessary for hail netting installation, such as connection clips, elastic wires, adjustable hooks, pole caps, bungee cords, PE ropes, and various other clips and hooks. These essential accessories not only make installation easier, but can also save you significant costs. Discover more about our hail netting and accessories, and order today to protect your crops and ensure a successful harvest with EyouAgro's premium quality products. Visit our website today. We hope we can cooperate with you in the future. EyouAgro, your one-stop agro-textile solution.